Hey everybody, it's Bonnie from Bonny's Nail Art and welcome to my channel. Today is a tutorial on plaid nails. It's a collaboration I did with Judy from Judinka Nail Art. She did a stamping tutorial, so please go visit her channel and watch her video and give her some love. My plaid nail tutorial is applying water decals. I decided to do water decals over stamping because I've already got a couple of stamping tutorials on the channel. So at the end of the video is both of our full-size pictures, so please stay and wait for those. And I will link Judy's channel down in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below for me. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Until we meet again next time, have a great day.